Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to get a higher grade in the class. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In this video, I will give tips to my fellow students because I'm still a student right now taking up my PhD studies in technology management. So, how to get a higher grade in the class? Getting a higher grade in a class requires effort, commitment, and effective study strategies. Here are some tips to help you improve your academic performance. Number 1, attend classes regularly. Being present in class allows you to stay engaged, understand the material, and ask questions. It also demonstrates your commitment to learning. Number 2, actively participate, engage in class discussions, ask questions, and contribute your thoughts and ideas. Active participation can enhance your understanding and help you remember the material better. Number 3, take organized notes. Develop a note-taking system that works for you. Summarize key points, highlights important details, and organize your notes in a way that makes it easier to review later. Establish a study routine. Set aside dedicated time each day for studying and reviewing class material. Consistency is key, so create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Number 5, break down the material. Divide the course content into smaller, manageable chunks. Focus on one topic or concept at a time. Thoroughly understand it and then move on to the next. This approach can prevent overwhelm and improve comprehension. Number 6, seek clarification. If you have any doubts or confusion about the course material, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for help. Clarifying your doubts will ensure a stronger foundation for further learning. 7. Review and revise. Regularly review your class notes, textbooks, and other learning resources. Consolidate your understanding by summarizing the information, creating flashcards, or explaining concepts to someone else. Number 8. Practice with past exams and assignments. Familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions that may appear on exams or assignments. Practice solving similar problems or write sample essay to improve your skills and gain confidence. Number 9. Form study groups. Collaborate with classmates to discuss and review the material. Sharing perspectives and study together can enhance your understanding and help you learn from one another. And then lastly, number 10, take care of yourself. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat well, and manage your stress levels. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being can positively impact your ability to focus and retain information. Remember, improving your grade requires consistent effort over time. Be patient, stay motivated, and celebrate your progress along the way. Okay, okay guys, so this is the end of my discussion on how to get higher grade in the class. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.